Hello boys and girls, and welcome to your first maths lesson of the week. Follow along with the activities in this video. Let's get started. Let's do some counting. We're going to count all the way to 20 today. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Pause the video and have a go by yourself. Can you challenge yourself to count backwards? Off you go. I'm going to show you some dots. As quick as you can, you need to shout out how many there are. Are you ready? Are you steady? Let's go! How many dots are there? Did you get it? There were 3 dots. Let's go. How many dots are there? Did you get it? There was 1 dot. How many dots are there? Did you get it? There were 4 dots. How many dots are there? Did you get it? There were 2 dots. How many dots are there? There were 5 dots this time. Have a look at this picture. What can you see? Pause the video whilst you explore. I can see some ducks. I can see 2 ducks at the top and 3 ducks at the bottom. I can see that there are 5 ducks altogether. 2 add 3 makes 5. I can also see a group of 4 ducks and 1 duck on its own. That shows me that 4 add 1 makes 5. It also shows me, because one of the ducks is on its own, that 5 is an odd number. 1 more duck has swum along. How many ducks are there now? 5 add 1 makes 6. There were 6 ducks. Make a curve, then make a loop. There's no tricks to make a 6. Make a number 6 with your finger in the air. As you do it, say the rhyme. Make a curve, then make a loop. There's no tricks to make a 6. Let's do it one more time. Make a curve, then make a loop. There's no tricks to make a 6. To do this activity, you will need your digit cards from 1 to 6 and a tens frame and some counting objects. You could use counters, or you could use another small object such as stones or some dried pasta. Can you make 6 on your tens frame using your counting objects? Can you find more than one way to do it? I found 2 ways to make 6 on my tens frame. The first way has 5 counters at the top and 1 counter at the bottom. This shows me that 6 is made up of 5 and 1. 5 add 1 equals 6. The second way I found shows 6 in pairs. I have got 3 groups of 2 counters. This shows me that 6 is an even number because I can make it using pairs. Here are lots of different ways to show 6. What can you see? Pause the video whilst you take a closer look. I can see someone holding up 6 fingers. I can see 6 dots on my dice. I can see a number line with 6 on it. Underneath the numbers, I can see that there's lots of dots. Those dots look like the sides on a dice. I can see a circle with 6 dots inside it. I can see a tens frame, like the ones we used earlier in the lesson, with 6 counters on it. And I can see a tally chart with 6 lines. On the tally chart, I can see a group of 5 lines together and then one on its own. This shows me that 6 is made of 5 and 1. You will need to get your digit cards and some counters and your tens frame to complete the activity. You need to take your digit cards numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and turn them upside down so you can't see the number. You're then going to turn over a digit card, look at the number carefully and make that number on your tens frame. Do this many times until you've had a go at making all of the different numbers with your counting objects. Have fun, boys and girls!